The future of nutrition is increasingly highlighting a truth that our ancestors seem to know intuitively. Carbohydrates are central to healthy aging. Emerging research on longevity, metabolism, and cellular resilience consistently underscores the importance of balanced carb intake, particularly from whole, fiber-rich, nutrient-dense sources, as part of anti-aging strategies. Far from being the dietary villain portrayed in some modern fads, carbohydrates are now recognized as critical fuel for the brain, muscles, and organs, as well as essential modulators of hormonal balance, gut microbiota, and cellular energy systems. Recent studies on aging populations, from Okinawa to Sardinia to Ikaria, show a striking pattern. Carbohydrate-rich diets, composed largely of whole grains, legumes, and vegetables, support longevity, cognitive health, and metabolic stability. These populations thrive not despite their carbs, but because of them. Whole carbohydrates provide slow-release glucose that powers mitochondria efficiently, reduces oxidative stress, and supports cellular repair mechanisms, all fundamental processes in delaying age-related decline. Meanwhile, the fiber, vitamins, and phytonutrients in these foods help regulate blood sugar, maintain hormonal equilibrium, and nourish the gut microbiome, which in turn influences immunity, inflammation, and even gene expression related to aging. One of the most exciting developments in longevity research is the recognition of carbohydrate quality as a critical determinant of health span. While refined sugars and highly processed carbs may contribute to metabolic stress, whole carbohydrates provide a steady energy supply without overburdening insulin or producing excessive reactive oxygen species. This aligns perfectly with anti-aging goals: steady energy, reduced inflammation, preserved lean mass, and enhanced cognitive function. Emerging research also suggests that carbohydrates interact synergistically with proteins and healthy fats, amplifying the benefits of each macronutrient and supporting holistic health, a reminder that nutrition works best as a coordinated system rather than a collection of isolated nutrients. Moreover, modern investigations into cellular metabolism highlight the role of carbohydrates in regulating key longevity pathways. Glucose from whole carbs fuels mitochondria, enabling efficient ADP production and reducing oxidative stress. It helps maintain autophagy, the cellular recycling process that clears damaged components and supports nutrient-sensing pathways such as AMPK and mTOR, which are intimately connected to aging. Carbs, when chosen wisely, help strike the delicate balance between fueling energy needs and supporting these cellular maintenance processes, effectively helping cells age more gracefully. The practical implication for the future of nutrition is clear. Anti-aging diets should not fear carbohydrates, but embrace them thoughtfully. Whole grains, legumes, fruits, and vegetables should form the backbone of meals, complemented by proteins and healthy fats. Timing and variety matter too. Faster-absorbing carbs can support immediate energy and recovery, while slower, fiber-rich carbs provide long-term metabolic stability. Emerging dietary strategies increasingly emphasize this balanced approach, recognizing that carbohydrates are indispensable for cognitive function, muscle maintenance, hormonal health, and gut microbiome resilience, all pillars of longevity. The humorous irony is that for decades, carbs have been publicly shamed while fats and proteins basked in the spotlight as heroes of metabolism. Yet the science is now revealing that carbohydrates are the quiet orchestrators, keeping energy flowing, hormones balanced, and cells functioning optimally. In the future of nutrition, they are not just allowed, they are essential. Without them, anti-aging strategies would be incomplete, like trying to run a high-tech city without electricity. The infrastructure is there, but nothing works efficiently. In short, emerging research paints a compelling picture. Carbohydrates, especially whole and fiber-rich varieties, are central to healthy aging. They fuel mitochondria, support brain and muscle function, nourish the gut microbiome, modulate hormones, and protect cells from oxidative stress. Far from being dietary villains, carbs are poised to become recognized as key allies in anti-aging nutrition, providing the energy and resilience that allow humans to thrive well into later decades of life.